In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted files from OneDrive. Now, let's get right into it by addressing a common misconception. Many people believe that once a file is permanently deleted from the OneDrive recycle bin, it can still be recovered through OneDrive itself. Unfortunately, this isn't the case. Once a file has been removed from the recycle bin, it's akin to waving goodbye for good within the OneDrive ecosystem. However, not all hope is lost. There are ways around this dilemma, and I'm here to guide you through them. Before we dive into recovering permanently deleted files, let's first talk about files that haven't quite reached that final stage of deletion. To retrieve files that are still within the realm of possibility, start by navigating to your OneDrive account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the recycle bin within OneDrive. This feature acts as a temporary storage for files you've deleted, like a safety net waiting to catch those digital items before they're gone for good. Inside the recycle bin, you'll see a list of files and folders that have been removed but not yet permanently deleted. Take a meticulous glance through this list. The file you're hoping to recover might just be sitting there, waiting for you to restore it. Once you've identified the target file or folder, select it by clicking on it. You'll then notice an option that says Restore. By clicking Restore, you're essentially instructing OneDrive to move that file back to its original location, turning back the hands of time for that particular item. It's a straightforward process, but one that can be a lifesaver for rescuing files that almost slipped through your fingers. Now, let's talk about files that have already been permanently deleted. In these cases, we have to take a different approach. Your best option at this point is to turn to third-party software designed specifically for data recovery. It's important to choose software that is reputable and effective, as these programs dig deeper into your computer's data storage, attempting to uncover files that are no longer accessible through usual means. While not always guaranteed, this method can sometimes help you retrieve files that you thought were lost forever. In conclusion, OneDrive offers a convenient way to restore recently deleted files, but it's essential to act quickly before they're permanently erased. And for those more stubborn cases of data loss, leveraging the power of third-party recovery tools might just save the day. Remember, it's all about being proactive and prepared, so stay vigilant and know your options.